Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be making some shrimp and broccoli. So let's get started.
You want to saute your chopped shallots, your minced ginger, and your chopped garlic, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil for at least 30 seconds. Now you want to add your clean shrimp. You want to saute your seasoned shrimps until they're almost done. This process should take at least 1 minute.
Set aside.
Add more olive oil to saute broccoli. Now we just want to add our clean broccoli. Now you want to just coat your broccoli with the oil, the shallots, the ginger, and the garlic. Add your chili wine. Now you want to give it another toss and coat it with the chili wine. Cover for 1 minute. Now we're just going to give it another toss. You want to toss for at least 1 minute and then cover. Cover for an additional 1 minute. Now at this time, you want to add our sauce. So you just want to get you a container and you want to shake some oyster sauce, soy sauce, white pepper, and some cornstarch. Now we just want to coat our broccoli with all of the sauce. Now we're going to cover it and simmer it on low for 1 minute. Add your shrimps and give it a toss. Cover on low and that's a go. Now that just looked beautiful. Now this is the color that you want. The sauce came out very nice. It's going to go perfect over some white rice. I'd like to take this time out to thank you guys so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. And don't forget to subscribe. You want to steam your rice with olive oil, salt, and pepper, seasoned to taste.